What's up people, welcome back to my channel. This is Anushri here at Nush Blush. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I really like how it came out. It's a very non-traditional Christmas look, so no red lip, just the green eyes with like a hint of sparkle. I really enjoyed this look. I hope you do too. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, also subscribe and stay tuned because I am running a Christmas giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and see the details of entering the giveaway in the description box down below. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Welcome to Anushri before all the makeup. So if you're gonna hear all the noise in the background, I can't really do anything about that because of the main road, but we're gonna ignore that and just continue. I've already done my skincare, so I'm just gonna prime with Becca First Light priming filter. This is the purple one, like that. Just gonna put some on my face. I should be doing the eyes first, but I feel like, I don't know, I can't envision the eye makeup on myself unless I do my base, so I guess we're just gonna figure it out. So I'm just mixing these two foundations by M.A.C. I don't have my exact shade because this is actually from my kit. So I'm just gonna mix NC15 and NC40 and come up with my shade. I'm just gonna dot that on my face and blend it out with a sponge. Oh, and if you see some dry patches around my nose, it's probably because I had this horrible cold, I don't know, day before yesterday, and I sneezed my ass off and hence the dryness, and there is nothing you can do about it because that's life and I had to film today, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. So I'm gonna let that foundation sink in for a little bit, and while that happens, I'm gonna do the eyes and then continue with the rest of my face. I'm just gonna lightly set my eye base, or at least the crease area, so it doesn't move. I'm gonna go in with a warm shade in my crease. I'm using a bunch of palettes today, so one of them is Jaclyn Hill. I want to use this yellow in my crease because we're gonna go in with a nice green smoky eye, and I need something to like break it, you know. So I'm just gonna blend that heavily in my crease. Next I'm gonna go in with a green shade, which is right here. This is the Morphe 35B palette. This is like a very old palette. I think it's expired and I shouldn't be using it anymore, but I have barely even hit pan on any of these, so I want to use it, you know. Going in with a smaller brush into this green right here. I'm gonna build it in the crease because I know this is not the most pigmented eyeshadow in the lot, but I do need it in order to, you know, sort of create that gradient. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I sort of wanna blend the green and the yellow together a little bit so that it has like a kind of gradient. Next I want to go in with a darker green in my inner and outer corner. I want to create sort of like a halo eye, so I'm going to go back in the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this really dark green here. It's very intense. Just placing a tissue because this is a very dark intense green eyeshadow and I don't want it getting on my foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same in my inner corner. I sort of build that green up. I'm going back with the lighter green that we used on our crease just to blend this out. I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It is very lovely. I love this palette. It has all the shades possible. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with Wanderlust from this palette. I really like how nice and foresty green that shade is. I'm just gonna use it, take it on my ring finger and just fill in the gap here. I'm also gonna take a little bit of Big Sky, which is like a light frosty blue, and sort of I'm just gonna lighten that up just a bit. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. This is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. It is so pretty, and I think I'm just gonna slightly, oh, love that. Love me some glitter. I don't know if you can see it, like it looks so underwhelming on the camera, but it looks so beautiful like here in the mirror. So I don't know, man, it's really pretty. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna finish the other eye and be right back. So I'm done with the other eye and I've also done my eyebrows. It's a little stronger than I would like, but I guess we're going for full glam today. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal the under eye area. I'm gonna go in with two concealers today, the Wet n Wild and 24-hour M.A.C Studio Fix concealer. This is just for the inner area. So I put the Wet n Wild one right in my inner corner, and I'm gonna put the M.A.C like here, the rest of the area. I'm just gonna set the under eye with the Sunny Leone StarStruck translucent powder. I'm gonna take that dark green that we used in our outer inner corner and I'm gonna put that like really close to my lower lash line. I'm gonna blend that line with this yellow shade that we used. I'm just gonna put some gel liner on my upper lash line and in my inner lash line. Just taking that on a thin brush, and I'm gonna not talk while I do this. I'm gonna go in with these two shades and like do a little bit of contouring and stuff. Just going in with a nice pink blush. I will have all the names and everything, shades, everything in the description box. So please check that out before leaving or asking me comments about what I'm using. I'm just gonna spritz my face with the M.A.C Fix Plus. I'm just gonna highlight my face using the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. I'm gonna put this highlighter in my inner corner as well. And on my brow bone. And I'm gonna be using one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Verada liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Seas, and I've used it so much. Like, this is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. Liquid lipstick is so comfortable to wear. It is so long lasting. and it doesn't fade in that really weird liquid lipstick way, you know. Oh my god, this look is absolutely amazing. I am so in love with it. I'm just gonna do my lashes and my hair, and then we're gonna be back. So that is the finished look. I really enjoyed how it came out. It is so dramatic, so fluttery. I really like it. I hope you like it too. If you do manage to recreate it, please tag me at #NushBlush. Oh, and don't forget to enter my Instagram giveaway. It's gonna be amazing. It's a Christmas giveaway. So what better time than now to win 2 lipsticks. All the details will be in the description box, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.